Project management should be efficient, not repetitive. But if you're stuck creating the same task over and over for daily reviews, weekly meetings, or monthly updates, you're wasting valuable time. Instead of creating them from scratch every time, why not let FluentBoards do it for you? The built-in recurring task feature means no more repeating yourself. Set it once, and your task stays on track without the micromanagement. If you're following along, you have already mastered task creation in FluentBoards. And in this one, we will take another step further, learning how to automate repetitive tasks by setting them up to recur on a schedule. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to configure recurring tasks and streamline your workflow. But before getting into the process, let's make sure the recurring task module is enabled. Otherwise, the option to create one won't appear. I'll open the settings and move to the features and modules. Here it is, recurring task. I'll just toggle it on and done. Now that it's enabled, let's head back to our project board. This one helps me stay on top of all the regular stuff my team handles. I've got a stage for our weekly meetings and another for monthly updates, since those happen like clockwork. Now, to save myself from having to recreate these every single time, I'm turning them into recurring tasks. So let's start with the weekly one. Having the module enabled, I can easily spot the recurring task option inside my task. So when I click it, all the customization options pop up. By default, it's set to daily, which is perfect if you're setting tasks like monitoring website or platform health, brainstorming content ideas, regularly reviewing support tickets, or so much more. And the personalization also makes things very convenient for anyone, but I'm going to switch it to weekly for this one. Well, compared to the daily one, I've got a couple more customization options here. Let's see how they can make the recurring task management easier. First of all, I can set a time when I want the task to be repeated. It's very important to decide the time to make sure everything is on track. So I'm setting it to sharp at 9. Adjusting the interval to 1 will make sure the task recurs once a week. In case you want it to repeat after 2 weeks or 3, you can decide that as well. The recurring day would be Monday. The stage remains the same, but I can change it if I want. Following that, I have 2 handy checkboxes to decide. As I want to decide the task to be repeated after completing, I need to tick the first box. If you want to create a new task while repeating, the next box is just for them. Well, let me just quickly recheck whether everything is good to go or not. Looks good. Let's edit. Now, you'll see a reminder right on top of the task showing the next repeated date and time. Even on the board view, there's a small icon showing that it's a recurring task, making it super helpful to identify among many. The weekly task is up, and now it's time to take care of the monthly one. Great for tasks like monthly reporting, campaigns, or performance evaluations. The setup is basically the same. Open the task and go to the recurring task. Let's switch to monthly. Again, I choose the time, the repeat interval, which means how often it recurs, and the exact day of the month I want it to repeat on. As usual, the stage remains the same. But this time, I'll tick the second checkbox, which creates a new task while repeating every month. And of course, hit set to end the process. Just like the other one, I can see the next repeat date to ensure everything is completely synced. That's how easy it is to set up recurring tasks in FluentBoards and make your project management more efficient. The best part is that all the task details are automatically carried over, so I don't have to start from scratch each time. It's a small setup with a big payoff. Less repetition, fewer mistakes, and it keeps everything moving smoothly. If you like this, you'll love what's coming up. The next module is all about smarter control. You learn how to manage roles, permissions, and access without any hassle. Plus, I'll walk you through client and team collaboration using the front-end portal, so your backend stays secure and untouched. To keep your projects clean, organized, and safe, don't skip the next one. Catch you there!